Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. In this tutorial video, I'm going to talk about how to analyze data using the FLOWJO software. So here you can see that I have some FCS file. So I have to analyze using the FLOWJO software. So first I need to drag this all of the samples. So here I need to drag this all of the sample in the FLOWJO window. So here is the FLOWJO software already opened. So here you can see that all of the samples are here right now, and you can see the number of the cells here is all at the 10,000 cells. So now if you double click on of the sample, so here for this case I have the sample A. This is the negative control, so I can use this one first. So if you double click on this sample name, and then you can see that one of the window will pop up, and here is the SSC and FSCA. This by default you can see this the cell population, but here you cannot use all of the cells for the analysis because there are some cells are the cell debris, so we need to remove these cells. So for that, what you need to do, so there is a polygonal getting tool. So I usually select this one. You can select other tool as well. So what I have to do, I have to select the right cells, the live cells here, but I cannot use this one, so I can delete this one. I need to use the polygonal tool, this one. So okay, so now this, and then you can expand it and according to your cell population. So these live cells I want to use for the analysis. So here I can write these are the T cells, so you can rename this one the T cells. So here is the 36.6%, but you can adjust a little bit to get more cell percentage. So now you can see that these are the live cells that I assume, but here also there are some cell debris I eliminated from the analysis. So now you can see here in this window that this T cells population is a 41% and 4096 cells I can analyze. So now based on this data I want to do the all of the sample the same uh, analysis, same selection. Okay, so now for that what I need to do, just on it just right click, and you can see here the copy analysis to group. You just click this one, then you can see that all of the cells it will be analyzed on the same by the same way how I did on this sample. So all of the samples are the same right now, the same calculation and analysis, but I need to do some little bit adjustment. You can see here these cells are almost 42%, 40%. These are okay, these three cells, but this one and this one, this is little high and this is little low. So I need to do some adjustment to make all of the cells percentages it's the same. So here, sorry, not this one, so I need to do this one. So double click, and then you can see this is almost 36%, but I need to do around 40 to 41%. So just make some little adjustment. So now it is 41%. Okay, and also this one, this is little bit high, so I need to reduce the cell percentage little bit to make it 40 to 42%. So just drag it to adjust the cell percentage. Okay, now it is 40%, so that's okay. So now you can see that all of the cell percentage almost 40 to 42%. So now what I have to do, the sample A, so I started with this sample, so here I double click. So when I double click this one, then you can see that all of the cell debris that will be eliminated, and then only the live cells that I selected, these cells should be here. So these cells I can consider for the analysis. Okay, so now I have to do the staining. I did the staining, the PE and FITC. So here I need to select the PE, and x-axis should be the FITC. Okay, so now you can see these cells are distributed according to the PE and FITC conjugation, this staining. So now I can choose the quadrant. So these are the negative control. So based on the negative control, that population, I need to select the gating. So here you can see that this is the negative control. So this is the 10 to the power 3. So 10 to the less than 10 to the power 3 are the negative control. So in y and x axis, both I can use this 10 to the power 3 according to that. So I can select this gating. So now you can see that all of the cells are negative, because this is the unstained cell. This is neither P or nor FITC positive. So all are the negative cells. So now if you look at this window, then you can find that these cells are this Q1 to Q4. These cells population are distributed according to this gating. Okay, you see the Q2 is 0.024. You can see the Q2 also 0.024. So this is this four, and these are the cells, this distribution according to this gating. Okay, so now what I have to do, I just here you just right click and then copy analysis to the group. So based on this data, all of the gating, you can get the similar kind of the gating for all other samples. So now you can see that all samples, for all of the samples, the quadrant was set, right? So now I can close this window, because we don't need this SSC and FSC window, rather we need this window. Okay, so now you can click one by one all of the samples. So this is sample A, and sample B. Sample B is here. So sample B, so you can select, if you select the PE and FITC, the automatic gate you can see here, it's already there. Sample B, sample C, PE and FITC, sample C, sample D, so for all of the cases you can select this PE and FITC, and then you can see this percentage of the Q2, and sample E. Okay, PE and FITC. So now you can see that for all of the samples, okay, So here is the q2. The q2 is the percentage of the both positive. So the so q2 0.62, that percentage that indicating that these cells are pe and FITC both positive, and the q1 that indicating that cells are only pe positive, only pe positive. And q2 q3, this is the q3. So q3 indicating that cells are only FITC positive, and q4 that indicates all of the cells are negative cells. So now after the analysis done, you can also represent in the different way. There is an option, so you can just expand it, and then you can select this one. So this is that by default you can see the in the pseudo color. So pseudo color, if you check the smooth one, then it will be changed like this way. Okay, and also then you can change the color from here, but for the pseudo color you cannot change the color from here. This is by default, it is the same color. And so usually this pseudo color and also the dot plot, that also be people can use this both. So for the dot plot you can also change the color. So if you change the color red one, then it's look better. And also you can select zebra plot. So if you select the zebra plot, and then if you select this, so this is the zebra plot. And also plot you can choose, so which one is which representation you prefer. So according, based on that one, you can select this different representation. All right, so this is very basic how to analyze the data using the FLOWJO. So here I showed. So I hope this video will be helpful. I think this short video will be helpful, and if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.